All right, guys, it's hot in here. I don't like it being hot.
And why is it hot in here?
Well, because I went to look on the through hull on the outside of the boat to see if the air conditioner's pissing water. There's no water. So I undid hose right here on the sea strainer. No water was coming out. So I moved up here to the through hull. I pulled the hose off, and off here, this is the through hull where the AC's coming through. And when you open it, it should be gushing water, not dribbling. So what I was doing is taking this wire and trying to shove down in here like this.
Are there barnacles or grass?
There's something on the outside of the hull, because that should be shooting like straight out.
Okay.
Guess what I get to do?
Going diving.
I get to go swimming. I'm going to try to do this with a mask, fins, and snorkel and not have to get all the dive gear. Do you know why?
Because it's in storage.
It's in storage.
At least the water's not cold.
Is what?
I said at least the water's not cold.
At least the water's not cold.
No bear. No. Bobby?
What's he doing?
He's trying to jump in the water because he's worried about you.
Cobes, I'm okay, buddy. I'm good. I'm good.
Go on.
Let's go.
Go on. Did you get it unstuck?
Oh, I don't know.
Got some scratch from some Barneys.
Yep. Oh, it's dirty down there. I backed up because I couldn't find the sea strainer or the through hull.
Nice.
But There should be no reason why it shouldn't be given water. So, this is why you want titanium gloves. Because barnacles are nasty. See them come up right here?
Yep.
Right there.
Well, at least it's better.
It's a little better. We should be able to get some AC going now. So we'll put this back on this way. We'll tighten that up. And yes, this should have 2 hose clamps on it. I just quite haven't gotten around to getting both hose clamps. And yes, Nancy has been on my case about it.
I would never.
Okay, so there's that one.
Since you're down there, can you take an inventory of what you need so we can go get them?
You know what? Why don't you go scrape barnacles on the bottom of the boat? Ha!
I can.
Because I'm in the middle of another project and the AC decided to go. I don't think so. And yes, we're going to mount this sea strainer. It's just not going to sit here like this. Okay. So let's open this back up.
Water's coming out of it now.
Should be a lot more than that, but that's probably enough to get the AC working for now. All right, so let's turn the AC on and see if we have water coming out the side. And I'll show you where it is.
Okay, let's go, people. And there is no water coming out.
It's that hole right there. This happened one other time. I took it all apart and put it back together and it just started working.
There's no water coming out. Okay, what happened? All I heard was ow. I hear it.
That's flowing better. Okay, I can see the water right here, and it's not going anywhere. So I know this side's clean. Shut off again. Damn it. We need a bigger boat. Or less stuff.
We don't need a bigger boat. Our boat is just fine.
Come on! Work with see. This is coming in. So what I'm going to do is loosen up the hose going into the air conditioner. Easier said than done. When that air kicks on, it should shoot water out of here.
That's why it's not working.
No, it hasn't kicked on yet. Unless you want to go turn it off and turn it back on.
Stand by.
There's the pump. I'm getting no water. Okay. So, what I'm going to do now, go ahead and turn the pump AC off completely. Now I'm going to go back down in here, because what I'm hearing is this pump run and no water's coming out. Because I know that I've got good water flow to here at this point. I'm pretty sure. So we're just going to check this side of it. Now, I'm not an expert at any of this, guys. I just know how it went in. And I know the flow of water. Boy, I put it on there good. There it is.
Oop, there's water.
So there's water. I'm wondering if there wasn't an airlock in here.
An airlock. What's an airlock?
Basically where air gets trapped and it won't let water flow.
So now because you undid it and you got water out, that pushed the air out?
Very possible.
Okay. How would water get trapped in there to begin with?
Air?
Yes.
Good question. It could have been when we undid the sea strainer.
Okay.
Now I did buy the cheapest pump known to mankind.
It's on.
I need to hear the pump kick on. There's the pump. Okay, off.
Off. And there's the water flowing into the bilge.
I can't even see what's going on down here.
Okay.
I'm using the eyeballs on the end of my fingers.
You got eyeballs up into your fingers?
I do.
Did you get it?
How confident I am. I'm closing the tools up. We're going to turn this on and go look for spitting water.
Okay. And she's spitting.
So now we're going to have air conditioning again.
Oh, thank God.
Hot water, hot water, hot water.
He's peeing his pants.
Huh?
You're peeing your pants.
No. Getting all the salt water off.